We are in the baking mode. I'm gonna be showing you how to make confetti sprinkle cookies. Shabbat is coming and we all love cookies. My family loves cookies. So we are going to be making some sprinkle cookies and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Very easy. We're gonna get together our ingredients. We need sugar, salt, some margarine, we need some baking powder, and let's not forget our sprinkles. And we are gonna use 2 eggs. So let's get started. We need to start with 2.5 cups of flour. We're gonna grab a measuring spoon, a big bowl or a pan or work. And we're gonna start measuring out our ingredients. So we want 2.5 cups of flour. 1, this is going to be 2, and a half. Okay. The next thing we're going to be putting into our mixture is some baking powder. Get a measuring spoon. It's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Measure it out, goes right into our mixture. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pour it right in. And into our mixture. For this, you will need 2 sticks of margarine. We're going to open it up and just put it right in. These cookies are very simple and delicious. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is put in some sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Measure it out. Put it right in. We're gonna crack in 2 eggs. Remember to check your eggs. This right here, we have vanilla extract. We're gonna put in 2 teaspoons right into our mixture. And we're gonna go ahead and use a hand mixer. Start it up, and we're gonna mix together all of our ingredients. Mix it in. go ahead and try to mix it in with my hands to form a dough. Much better. Gonna mix this in. Once we have formed a dough, we now will roll out some balls. You want to line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and we're going to start rolling out the dough for some cookies. Okay. You want to take a little bit in your hand and form a bowl. Once you have a bowl, you're going to continue doing this for the whole dough. We're going to create the balls. Once you have them all done, you are going to dip the bowl into a bag of sprinkles. This is what it should look like when it's ready. Put it down on your parchment paper. You put it into the oven for 22 minutes on 350. And there you have it. Yummy, delicious cookies for Shabbat.